Hi, boys and girls. In math today, we're going to talk about how most numbers, well, not most numbers, some numbers are 5 plus some more. Well, it works well with your hands. If you're counting, you have 1 finger, 2 fingers, 3 fingers, 4 fingers, 5 fingers. Now watch this. How many fingers? 5. How many fingers? 5. This is 5 no matter what you do. You don't have to count it every time, do you? If I said, how many fingers are on my hand? You don't even need to see it. You know there's 5. Well, this is like my little, I don't know what we're going to call it, like a number stick here. Do you see that these are individual blocks? And we'll count them the first time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, if I don't take any off or put any more on, it's always 5, correct? Back to our fingers. 5 and 1 more makes 6. Well, let's look at this. 5 and 1 more. How many do I have? 6. Did you have to count these 5? They're still 5. 5 and 1 more makes 6. Okay, back to our hand. Here's 5. What if it's 5 and 2 more? Do you know that number right away? 5 and 2 more. 5, 6, 7. That makes 7. So let me get 2 of the yellow. 5 and 2 more. I could say this is how many? 5, 6, 7. You can count those on, or you're going to know it's 5 and 2 more makes 7. If we were doing a 10 frame, we would do 5 on the top, 2 on the bottom makes 7. What about 8? Show me 8 fingers. Do 5 on one hand. How many more do you need? 5, 6, 7, 8. So I had 5. 3 more make 8. How many? 5. I'm going to get my yellow. And now I have 3 of these. 5 on the top, 2 on the bottom. How many is it? 8. Very good. You guys have got this. So if we wanted to make 9 with our hands, one hand would be 5. How many fingers would be on the other hand? Did you hold up this? 4? A lot of you know that's 9, just without counting. But 5 and 4. So here I have my 5. It's only 3. That's not enough. I need one more. 5 and 4 are 9. 5 on the top, 4 on the bottom. Well, today in your math book, this is what we're starting with. It says to count and circle how many. So here, they put the 5 in a group. 5 and 4 more. So we would say 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You're going to circle the 9. Then it says to color 5. Which group has 5? This one. So you would color this, but together 5 and 4 make 9. Again, here they've put the 5 on the top, 4 on the bottom. And here, you're going to need an adult to help you. There's 5, and they want you to draw 4 more circles to the right. What's 5 and 4? It's always 9. Very good. You're going to do one more page on the other side. Again, you're going to be doing the number path. Do you remember how we did it? You took your pencil, and it says, draw a counting path with a line to show the order that you counted, and then write the numbers. So if I was doing it, I would start here and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 was the number we worked on yesterday. Ooh, how did we say it? You have to go back, right? Make an S and do not wait. Climb back up to make the 8. Right? So here again, it says that you're going to make a number path and draw it here. They also say to circle a group of 5. Parents, you decide. It gets a little confusing. Here you're going to color 8 circles. So you're going to want to count them, right? And only color 8. You can do it. I know you can. All right, so there are 2 pages there. I'm trying to squeeze one more activity in. This will be more of a choice. I'm going to take a quick little break and I'll show you. So that was our math for today, and you did a great job. But we want to talk about turkeys, and we have one less day today, this week, to work on our projects. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you. You don't have to do this today. You might want to wait and on the day off do it, but I'm kind of sneaking it in. This is the packet you need from your kit. It's going to have a big brown circle. It's going to have a smaller circle, kind of an off-white or a light brown. And then it's going to have a bunch of feathers. Now, I'm going to do a little bit of work cutting, and then I'll show you what's next. Okay, I've got my pieces all cut out, and now I'm going to show you how to put it together. Now, that seemed quick, but I took a long time to cut out those pieces. So, here is my turkey. Here's my turkey's body, and this is the turkey's head. I know it seems silly, but follow me on this one. You are going to put glue on the back of the head, and the head goes right in the middle. Okay? The next thing I'm going to do is turn my turkey over. And you were given a whole bunch of feathers. You can decide if you only want 3 feathers. I had 5 in there, and I decided I wanted them all. Actually, I have 6. I forgot. So what I'm going to do is this. I'm going to decide how I want my pattern to look. And see how there's a dark side? I'm going to put my glue right on the inside of that dark side and flip it. I put one in the middle. And I'm going to put a red one on this side. You can decide how yours are going to be. And I'm going to take another red one. And I'm going to put that red one on this side. And I've got a couple of orange. So I will put glue here, and I'll put an orange one. And another orange one. I have a green one that I cut out too, but I kind of like the way this looks. Now when I turn it over, that's what it looks like. So this is the part where you have to get a little bit more creative. I kept all my scraps. I did. So with the orange scrap, I am going to fold it, and your moms and dads might help you. I want to make a mouth like this. I want to make a beak. So I folded it, and when I open it, now I have a beak. I'm going to put glue on the back side of it. I'm going to stick it right there. Now turkeys have this little flap of skin called a wattle, and it's red. So I'm also going to cut this little googly, swirly thing. I'll show you. Like this. And I'm going to kind of stick it so it's underneath like that. Now I don't have any black, and I kind of want black for my eyes, so I'm going to take out my black crayon, and I'm going to give my turkey eyes. I don't need to give it a nose or a mouth because look at it's right there. I'm just going to brighten him up a little. Now my feathers I like, but I'm going to make them look more like feathers by adding this detail. I'll line up the middle, and then some on this side, some on that side. The middle. Don't know if you can see it. It's hard for me to push hard on this because I don't want my board to fall over. All right. Now there is my little turkey. I like him very much, but I've decided that I'm going to take a little bit of my brown paper like this, and maybe I'll give him some feet. You don't have to. This is your choice. But, I don't know. I'm going to give him some feet because that will make me feel good. And these are the details that you can add yourself. So I cut out a couple of little feet. And I'm going to put a little glue on the top of this foot and stick it out from under there. And a little bit more glue here and stick it out there. And oops, you didn't see it. There we go. And there is my turkey. And I like him very much, and I'm very happy with him. You might decide to do some different details. So again, today the work, boys and girls, is to do the papers in your notebook, your workbook. And if you have time for a turkey today or tomorrow, have fun.